Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on web performance with GTmetrix step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the GTmetrix website. Create a free account if you haven't already. Log in to your GTmetrix account. In the main dashboard, enter the URL of the website you want to analyze. Click on the Test Your Site button to initiate the performance analysis. Wait a few moments for GTmetrix to generate the results. Once the analysis is complete, review the performance scores displayed at the top of the page. Scroll down to the performance section to see the detailed report. Note the page speed and YSlow scores, which reflect the site's optimization. Identify the sections labeled Recommendations for actionable insights. Look for the items marked as high priority, as these will have the most significant impact on performance. Take specific recommendations such as image optimization, script minification, and leveraging browser caching seriously. Apply necessary changes to your website based on the recommendations. Run the GTmetrix test again after applying these changes. Compare the new results with the previous analysis. Continue this cycle of testing and optimizing to achieve better web performance. Keep track of your site's performance over time to ensure it remains optimized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.